try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody ass stain from the...
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy, Daddy. Anyways, just wanted to wish a happy birthday to Billy. He's turning 2 years old. Hi, Billy. Hope you have a good birthday. So, I'm not sure you can understand me, but happy birthday, Billy, anyways. But I have an interesting video for you guys. I have bought a dash cam. Yes, I did it. I bought a dash cam. Now, this is not just any old dash cam. This one records videos. Indeed it does, when the car's off. It's gonna be interesting. Biggest reason why I wanted to get this thing is because, you know, when I'm driving, I constantly have people just taking pictures of my car, looking at it, breaking their necks, staring at it for prolonged periods of times. You know, all kinds of weird things to it. And I was just curious to see what happens when I'm not around staring at it. So I would put a dash cam in and see what I find. Let me show you what I got. All right, guys. This is what I got. I've been doing a lot of research on different brands, different makes and models, and this is the one that I found. I was gonna get the, what was it, iTouch? No, touching something. It was called Touching Something. Honestly, I thought it was just way too pricey for what it actually did and the features that it had, yada yada yada. It was also 4K, but you know, that was really expensive, and you know, not getting sponsored or anything, so got this one instead. Has a, I mean, it's still in HD, so it's pretty dope. It comes in a nice box. That's actually better than I expected it to come in. Let's see, nice HD front cabin, interesting. Oh, it actually has 4K front. Oh, there's two. Okay, so I got you. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe there's different settings in it because it's saying 140. Yeah, you know, you can see it. You can read it yourself. If you can't, then I don't know. Has night vision, GPS track, park monitor. Also, I got a hardware kit. So this is what the magic's gonna happen, where it's always gonna stay on. I've never, let's unbox this first and then we'll unbox this. And it's wrapped in plastic. I got a handy dandy box cutter here. Wow, it's like if I was getting an iPhone. I paid for the box. Now it'll come off. Amazing. Oh, okay, I was scared there. I was like, I don't know what this means. Protected. Good stickies. I'm gonna put that on my car later, probably not. Some instructions. Looks like it's in different kinds of languages. You know me, I love reading instructions. All right, let's see what else we got in this box. More instructions? Jeez, how many instructions do I need? Okay. Oh. It's like if I was opening a box of Beats by Dre. Very nice. Is this the camera? Let's leave the camera for last. This is looks like a charger, judging by the picture. USB-C, wow. Like every car accessory I ever find now, it's just like still using micro USB. I'm really happy that they're moving up in the world with all this technology. Let's see what else we got in here. Some more boxes. It's empty. Ooh, let's see. We got let's open this. I think this is the power adapter. This is what goes in the cigarette lighter, I'm assuming. Yes, it is. Huh, there's an arrow. You can only put it in, maybe you gotta screw it in or something. Oh, what? What? That is so cool. Honestly, that's pretty classy right there. Also, maybe if you have your own USB, you know, honestly, you could probably just get away with a dongle and put it in one of your ports that you already have. You don't even need to use all this, but that's pretty cool. Might actually just save that in my car for no reason. Absolutely no reason. What we got here? Rear camera. I completely forgot that it came with a rear camera. Wow. Look at that. 3M tape. The good stuff. Is it a job? What? And it moves. That is so cool. Honestly, I thought that it wasn't gonna come with a rear camera. I thought it was just gonna be like just a cabin camera and a front camera. So I'm a little excited. So we got more USB. Oh, okay, I see. So one is for the front, the other one's for the back. That makes more sense. So we got more USBs, PC, and we got a snazzy mount. Wow. Look at that suction. Oh, and it plugs in right here. Wow. This is like very well thought out. Like this is like the fanciest dash cam I have ever seen. Like I'm not worthy. Oh, back scratcher. Let's see. Last but not least, let's get the front one. Whoa. It looks and feels like a GoPro. So it has like front, the cabin, the rear. Bro, I can see people coming from a mile away. This is nice. Guys, I really like this already. Definitely better, more options than the eye-touching one that I was looking at. And let's take a look at the hardware. This is what's gonna be in here permanently. So we got the instructions. Okay, crap, I can't read this. Oh, thank God, it's in English. Yeah, that makes sense. You might need a multimeter. Make sure you find out what's always on in your car. In my case, I have no idea. I'm gonna have to probe around. Fun fact, I actually just bought a multimeter. Yeah, just bought one. Never had one, barely even know how to use it. Oh look, and it shows you a little diagram on how the best wiring option is. That's so cool, yay. All right guys, so seems to be pretty straightforward. Might have to just, oh, so this is ground, easy. And if I just want to connect it to a fuse, that is fine too. But you know what, maybe I could just, no, it's not gonna reach. But yeah, let's go investigating and find out what is always on. And we'll put one of these little fuses on there. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, well, I'm not gonna lie. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I think number 10 over here says it's my power supply. It's really hard to do with one hand, but if I was to, you know, put this on a ground, it says it beeps. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, see, you heard the beep. Please tell me you heard the beep. Anyways, beeping means power. I tried with all the rest of them. They all don't do that. So I am hoping that that's the correct one. And the only way to find out is if I test it. So wish me luck. I managed to put it in there. And now, well, maybe I should really ground this first before I try to do anything. All right, guys. So I was able to ground it right over here. I have the power in along with the fuse. So now let's plug it in and see what happens. I forgot that I needed to get the mount to plug it in, so now, moment of truth. Let's see. A little touchy touch. See what happens. Oh, something happened. Yes! Success! Nice. I'm just gonna unplug it. All I gotta do is snake it around, and you should be good to go.